In this lecture, we are going to unveil the React boilerplate. Command B to open up the Explorer. And as well, we have to close down the terminal. So you have to click on the X icon over here at the right edge of the screen. But for me, I'm just going to do Ctrl+Back-Tick. Open up the client directory. Here is it. Let's proceed with the package.json file. Here is it. The package.json file is where all the dependencies that concerns the front end will sit on. And over here, we have React version 18.2 installed. Right below, we have the React DOM. The React DOM is used to work with the document object module in the browser. And here we have the React script and the web vitals. And down here, we have the script. And in the previous lecture, we did npm start to start up the front-end dev server. Right below, we have the build. When we do npm run build, it is going to build up the static assets for deployment. So when we want to deploy application on the server, we would definitely make use of the build. And here we have the test and the eject. The eject is necessary when you want to eject from create a React app and customize your web pack. And here we have the configuration for ESLint, which helps to highlight some possible errors in your code. And lastly, we have the compatible browser list. Done with the package.json file, let's proceed with the package log. Open. The package log helps for steady installation of your dependencies. Though we do not have any business over here, but we also have to talk about it. And here we have the readme.md file, which helps for documentation. Take for example, you are done building your application, so you can come to the readme.md file to document the processes involved. So let's quickly unveil the folders. Open up the public. Right in the public directory, we have the index.html, the logo, and the manifest.json file. The manifest.json file is used for progressive web app. And that for now is not relevant to the purpose of this course. So as a beginner, we have to focus on the index.html. And here is it. This is all for now, and see you in the next lecture. Stay focused and always take care.